While on a visit to communities affected by the recent round of violence that rocked Jos, the Plateau state capital, over the weekend, the governor tasked community leaders to fish out criminals in their midst, bent on giving the crisis a religious coloration.
You know, Jos, if anything happens in Jos, the whole Plateau state. So that's why we are making it, putting the inconvenience for everybody. And until we change and fish out some of them, it will be difficult for us to start lifting the curfew. So it means we still have to talk about 24 hours.
The governor, who also visited hospitals where those who sustained various degrees of injury were being treated, said there will be a manhunt to fish out partakers in the conflict.
All those who perpetrated these acts are criminals. I see them as criminals, completely criminals. But when they are doing it, it takes a different dimension. And so the purpose is to take us back into religious crisis. But by God's grace, we are on top of it. And we will not allow religious crisis in this state.
At the Plateau State Specialist Hospital, we met this young man whose brother was killed this morning. The young man refuses to be silent.
They just killed their brother and we bring the cops here, sir.
A reminder that more needs to be done to return normalcy to Jos, the Plateau State capital.